How to use Snapchat on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Chrome and search Snapchat. Click on the first link that pops up, which is Snapchat's official website. And on left side, you will find login to Snapchat option. Add your username or email address, then press on login. Then enter your Snapchat password and then press on next. After that, you'll be logged into your Snapchat account on your PC. From here, you can use Snapchat, chat with friends, or simply send snaps from here as well. This is how to use Snapchat on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.